Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add multiple photos or videos in one Instagram story. For that we need to go to Instagram account, go to the story. So I was taking a picture and we need to add multiple photos. So here you will see the symbol of stickers. Click on that. Here it will show the plus symbol. It means it add multiple photos or videos. So I was taking another picture like this. So I was adding one music also. Like this you can add multiple photos, and I'll show you how to